In today's video, I'm going to show you how to master every essential Airtable keyboard shortcut, so you can navigate your bases, edit records, and control your views without ever reaching for your mouse. Airtable is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing everything from content calendars to inventory databases. But the real speed comes when you learn to keep your hands on the keyboard. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. We are going to begin with the most important shortcut you will ever use in Airtable, and that is the shortcut menu itself. At any point, whether you are in a grid view, a calendar view, or even just staring at a blank field, simply press Ctrl and the / key on Windows, or Command and the / key on a Mac. This opens up a complete reference cheat sheet right on your screen. You will see every single shortcut listed by category, from general navigation to data entry and formatting. The beauty of this is that you don't need to memorize everything today. Just remember that this cheat sheet is always one keystroke away, and the more you use it, the more naturally these shortcuts will stick. Now, let's talk about moving around your base with real speed. If you are working with multiple tables inside the same base, you can switch between them instantly by pressing Ctrl and the letter J. This opens a little search box that filters your tables as you type, so you can jump from your main client list to your project tracker without clicking around. To go even bigger and jump between entirely different bases, press Ctrl and the letter K. This is a lifesaver if you have several bases open in different tabs or windows, because it lets you search and jump to a completely different base without leaving your current flow. And within your current table, if you have different views, like a grid view, a calendar view, or a gallery view, you can cycle through them by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the letter K. This opens a view switcher menu right at the top, so you can toggle between how your data is displayed without hunting for the view tabs. Let's get into grid view and data entry, because this is where most of your time will be spent. When you want to edit a specific cell, just press the Enter key or the F2 key. This puts the cell into edit mode, and you can start typing immediately. If you need to add a new record below your current selection, press Shift and Enter together. This instantly creates a new blank row directly under the row you are on, so you can keep entering data without lifting your hands off the keyboard. And if you ever need to see everything inside a record, especially fields that are hidden or truncated, press the spacebar to expand that record into a full-screen view. You can then scroll through all the fields, edit anything you need, and press the Escape key to close it and return to your grid. Copying and pasting data across multiple cells is a huge time saver. Simply select the cell you want to copy, press Ctrl and C to copy it, then highlight the range of cells below it that you want to fill, and press Ctrl and V to paste. Airtable will paste that value into every selected cell at once. This is perfect for repeating a date, a status, or a category across many records. Speaking of dates, if you are working inside a date field and you just need today's date, press Ctrl and the semicolon key. It instantly inserts today's date, so you never have to type it out or click on a calendar widget. Now we need to talk about how you find and organize your data with menus and filtering. The sort menu is your best friend when you want to rearrange your records alphabetically, numerically, or by date. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the letter S. This opens a sidebar where you can add as many sorting rules as you want, like sorting by priority first and then by due date. It is non-destructive, meaning it doesn't change your data, only how it is displayed. Similarly, the filter menu is accessed by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the letter F. This lets you show only the records that meet certain conditions, like showing only tasks assigned to you, or only records created this week. Filters are incredibly powerful for focusing on what matters without deleting anything. And finally, the Group Records menu, which you open by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the letter D. This groups your records by a chosen field, like grouping all tasks by their status, or by the person assigned. It's a fantastic way to get a high-level view of your data, and you can collapse or expand each group with a single click. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Before I let you go, let's quickly recap what you have just learned. You now know how to open the full shortcut cheat sheet, how to switch between tables, bases, and views in a flash, and how to edit cells, add records, and expand records without ever touching your mouse. You've also picked up the essential data entry tricks, like filling down values and inserting today's date, plus how to open the sort, filter, and group menus to take full control of your data display. The benefit of all this is that you will save minutes every day, and those minutes add up to hours over a week. My advice is to print out that cheat sheet or keep it open in a pinned tab for your next few sessions. Try using just one or two of these shortcuts per session until they become automatic. You will be amazed how quickly your Airtable workflow transforms. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.